Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is the Stretch, a 3D printable V-tail performance glider available from SoarKraft. This one is built with the PowerPod, lightweight PLA, and the lightweight power system. I'm at my local park doing some flying practice to dial in the programming of this new FrSky X14 transmitter after I finally figured out what I was doing wrong. Nice! Airframe printing files and instructions available at SoarKraft.com. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And check out my other videos about printing, different materials and testing, and flying these SoarKraft designs to the limits of what's possible. This channel is funded by viewers like you purchasing my files on my website for printing planes just like this, and helps me to continue to refine, develop, and share new ways of making them better, faster, and cheaper to hopefully benefit everyone. Or at least to have a good time. Nice. This is the lightweight Stretch with PowerPod nose, printed with lightweight PLA that I did a build video for. It flies nicely, can do some cool stuff, and is tame enough to fly at the park without anyone getting upset. I recently retired my FrSky Tyrannus X9D and started using this FrSky X14 that runs on the Ethos operating system, and using a slightly modified version of Mike Shellham's Ethos eSoar Pro programming to get this new radio to do this pretty complex program, which I sort of forgot how to use while actually flying. What I forgot was the trim setting in this program goes with the flight mode, and turning on and off the motor changes the flight mode. So I wasn't doing motor compensation, I was just adjusting the trim of the elevator. Which made for some erratic launches and some interesting landings before I got it figured out. And seeing this picture reminded me of figuring it out before, where elevator trim and motor compensation are completely different. Needing a lot of elevator trim in the main flight mode of cruise does not transfer to the other flight modes, so the elevator trim jumps around a lot. Adjusting the servo to not need this trim is the best way to fix it. But in the air or a quick field fix is to adjust the trim in each of the flight modes to match the trim of the base cruise mode, and do the landing and the motor compensation with the right trim. I've done this many times before, and I can't be the only one that has had this problem. And you can work through it. It just doesn't fly as good. Still need to dial it in, so let's try it out. At the park with a couple of freshly charged batteries. The first launch might need some trim, but I'm going to use the correct trim this time. Everything looks like it's working right. It wasn't too bad. Need some trim though. Sweet. Oh yeah. So this worked, but fixing the base servo trim to 0 is the right way to do this. There we go. But I need some flying practice, and this lightweight Stretch is just so easy. Alright.
11 minutes and 11 seconds.
Not bad. 11 minutes on the first 650 milliamp hour battery. I bet I could do better than that. Here's battery number 2. Put it in, check the balance, and we're ready to go again. Oh, so nice. At full throttle, you only get about 5 to 6 minutes out of the battery.
Yeah, it's better.
But it's fun. And at 565 grams, it easily rides the thermals. Too high. I can do better than that. Boo, that wasn't very good.
All right.
16 minutes and 13 seconds. Motor disarmed.
Say 16 minutes.
Motor armed.
It did. Holy cow. Sweet.
So this lightweight stretch is good fun. Hope you enjoyed this, because I did. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Yes. Sweet. There it is. Bike with power pod. Lightweight.